Good morning. It is a fairly chilly October morning here in sunny Salt Lake. We are anticipating quite a storm coming in tomorrow, and it's somewhat of a celebration day. I wondered what's for breakfast at your place today, and maybe you're watching this on another day, another time of day. What are you eating? What are you feasting on today to nourish yourself, to feel well? And if it is fall, are you taking advantage of fall harvest? The celebration of today for me is that I am preparing for a road trip. I am embarking on an adventure through southern Utah and parts of the Nevada desert, including Red Rock Canyon and perhaps hiking Mount Charleston as well. Are you familiar? Have you been to many of the beautiful, exceptional national and state parks in Utah? It's stunning. So pretty. The fall harvest is also another adventure with today. There's my toaster. I'm preparing breakfast. Today is the final day of our outdoor summers downtown farmers market. And I live very close to that location. And today is also the pet costume contest since Halloween is next Friday. I'm very excited to see the pets in costume. And when I leave on my road trip next week, this will be the first time ever in my life that I have been on vacation for Halloween. And I have found so many fun adventures and activities to check out. As an older adult, as someone who has been an empty nester for many, many moons, there are a lot of things that I miss. I have a lot of nostalgic feelings towards Halloween because it is and always had been my family's favorite holiday. And this is it's almost felt bittersweet because I've decorated a little bit because I love it, though I haven't gone crazy on my porch like I normally do since I don't want to confuse the trick-or-treaters that we still have. I don't get as many, which is sad to me, though. I digress. Breakfast. Making breakfast. Let me show you what I've scored. I got some major bargains today. I had a coupon from, this may or may not be where you are, though Einstein Bagels is one of the few bakeries in town that makes pumpernickel. Pumpernickel bread used to be very common and something that my grandparents always had. I have not mastered the art of making pumpernickel bread, though it is on my to-do list. I have just toasted one of the bagels, and what I am doing is I have sliced up some English cucumber slices, and I have some of the Ray's Winter Garden Mustard that I picked up when I was cruising from Boston to Nova Scotia this last June, and one of the ports, it's one of the last mustard, I don't even know what to call it now, sorry. It's a place that makes stone ground mustard, and it's the last type of its kind in the United States. And I love mustard. It's one of my favorite condiments. So what I'm basically going to be doing is slathering mustard on either side of the bagel. If you don't know, my name's Tiffany. I am the founder of Anderson Therapeutics, and I have been following a plant-based diet, mainly, specifically the Starch Solution, which is a whole food, plant-based, oil-free meal plan. That is why I am not putting anything like cream cheese on here. I have certainly eaten that in the past. Those type of foods no longer work for my body, and I have experienced terrific health benefits from eating the way I do. hence why I have been embracing this lifestyle since 2016 and had amazing results. On top of the bagel then simply will be the cucumber slices, a little bit of salt and pepper. I might even use cayenne because I really like a spicy breakfast. The item that I am still finishing, beverage, is my morning kombucha tonic that I have talked about in other videos. It's really light, it's really lean, it uses a kombucha powder. I'm not being sponsored. This is just an amazing product for those of you who might really like kombucha, though if you're like me and don't like carbonation or how expensive kombucha can be, this powdered version, because I do a lot of traveling, it travels well. That's why I purchased it and put together a really light combination where I'm controlling the ingredients, which I also like. I like to know what goes in my food, and that is how the beverage that extends my fast. It is 10 after 10 right now, and the pet costume contest starts at 10:30. I have been up for quite a few hours and I have already finished my workout routine. I've gone for a walk and gotten some work done. And the extra celebration is that as a writer, I finished a project to the pretty clean final draft stage to send over to my publisher. I'm really excited about that. It is a companion to my website, andersontherapeutics.com, where I share free resources, tips, and tools designed to help adults better manage chronic conditions. I'm an older adult. I am 60. I have been managing chronic conditions for many years, have been a caretaker, patient advocate, health coach, and I encourage you to go to my website where you can download a free guide that are methods to better manage chronic pain. Now, who here of any age isn't maybe dealing with pain? And if it's chronic, you know how hard that is. The other benefit of my meal plan and why this has been a food is medicine type of a practice is that by eating foods that are more anti-inflammatory, meaning that I eat the rainbow, I eat a lot of leafy greens, a lot of different types of vegetables and plants and legumes, all of those are more helpful for my body and for the conditions that I'm managing. That's where you'll find more resources and tips based on whatever meal plan you're currently following. There are significant health benefits, especially this time of year. Again, it's fall here, and we're dipping right into cough, cold, flu season, all that type of thing. My corporate job is in public health. We're managing a few outbreaks right now, and I'm encountering, of course, colleagues, people in the field. People are getting sick. I have avoided getting sick. I honestly can't remember the last time I had the flu. I don't get headaches. There are many things that I am not experiencing, and I'm protecting myself and boosting my immune system by exercising every day, getting enough sleep, having something really lovely and light in the morning, and extending a fast, which is the fast when you're sleeping is your body's rejuvenation time. So are you sleeping well? Are you taking good care of yourself? And would you like to get more resources, tips, and tools? Please visit my website. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a lovely day, a lovely meal, whatever time it is where you are, and thanks for watching.